ChatGPT just crossed 1 billion weekly active users. 1 billion people every single week using the same free tool you have access to right now. And that is not even the biggest news. On the same week it hit 1 billion users, OpenAI cut the price of ChatGPT by 80%. Not a small discount, 80%. This changes everything about how accessible AI is for everyone on the planet. Welcome to AIplified. Here is exactly what just happened and what it means for you today. Let me give you the full picture. 1 billion weekly active users means ChatGPT is now used by more people every week than the entire population of Europe. It took Facebook 4 years to reach 1 billion users. ChatGPT did it in under 3. That is the fastest adoption of any technology product in human history, and it is still accelerating. But the price cut is the story that actually affects you right now. OpenAI cut the price of GPT-5.6 Luna, their everyday ChatGPT model, by 80%. The new price is just 20 cents per 1 million input tokens. Now, if that sounds technical, here is what it actually means in plain English. Using ChatGPT just got dramatically cheaper for everyone, especially businesses, developers, and anyone building tools with AI. For regular users on the free plan, nothing changes. It is still completely free. But for anyone paying for ChatGPT Plus or using the API, your costs just dropped significantly. And here is why this matters beyond the price. When AI gets cheaper, more people build with it. When more people build with it, more tools get created. When more tools get created, AI becomes more useful for everyone. The price cut is not just a discount. It is a signal that OpenAI is playing for global domination of the AI market. Making ChatGPT the cheapest and most accessible option forces every other AI company to respond. Google, Anthropic, and every other AI provider now face pressure to cut their own prices, which means the next few months could see AI tools getting significantly cheaper across the board. For you, this is genuinely good news. The AI tools that used to be expensive are becoming affordable for everyone. The barrier between you and powerful AI is getting smaller every single week. Now, what should you actually do with this information today? 3 things. Number 1, if you are not using ChatGPT yet, today is the best possible time to start. 1 billion people cannot all be wrong. And at zero cost to you, there is genuinely no reason to wait. Go to chat.openai.com and start exploring right now. Number 2, if you are already using the free version of ChatGPT, consider whether the paid plan makes sense for you now. At the new lower price point, the value you get from ChatGPT Plus has never been better relative to its cost. Number 3, pay attention to what comes next. OpenAI's IPO is due mid-August. The first public filing is expected any day now. When a company this size goes public, it creates enormous pressure to grow revenue, which usually means even more features, more tools, and more innovation pushed to users. The next 6 months of ChatGPT development could be the most significant yet. 1 billion users, 80% price cut, and an IPO on the horizon. If you needed a sign that AI is not slowing down, this is it. Subscribe to AIplified for breaking AI news explained simply every single week. Next week, I am putting ChatGPT head-to-head against Google Gemini for 7 days with the exact same tasks. One honest verdict, no favorites. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you next week.